Hello, Simplify fam. This is Justine with Debt Free Millennials, and I am so excited. And I'm going to give you some tips that have personally worked for me and my family and my extended family on how we've been able to just budget better, save better for this holiday season. So, the first thing that I like to do when November, December hits is to temporarily reduce spending in other areas so that I can accommodate the spending that I'm going to be doing on the holidays. Now, you can really easily do this within the Simplify app. So, this is what the app looks like when you access it from your laptop. And what I did is I went over here to my spending plan, and then I can take a look at my income for the month, take a look at my bills, my savings goals, and then go over here to planned spending. Now, you're going to want to add some buckets here for your spending. This category over here where it says other spending, this is spending that needs to have a home. Every dollar should have a name, and that's why I really like the planned spending feature. So another thing that I'm using Simplify for my Christmas budget is I am setting up a savings goal inside of the app to help me track how much money I want to save for Christmas and then also how much money I have spent so far. So check this out. All right, so from the laptop, you're going to go over to goals, and then you're going to see what active goals you have for your savings, or you can simply add a new one. You can even customize one, which I've already done for Christmas. And so for Christmas, really this is like Christmas and just holiday stuff in general. I made a goal for $2,000 and I have that already done. You'll see this little purple area where I've spent $350 already, and I actually need to show that I've already spent money from this account. So I'm going to go over and hit withdraw to spend for the goal. And I need to do $83 because that's how much money I spent on stamps. Guys, stamps are 57 cents now. That's crazy. Okay, let's talk holiday gift shopping. So if you're feeling a pinch this holiday season, one thing that my family has done is kind of stick to the homemade gift giving idea. And I know what you're thinking, homemade. Listen up. There's some good ideas that you can do. If you have a skill set for something, try to turn that into a gift. So my brother-in-law is really good with woodworking, and one year he made us all these little wooden TV trays that we could put drinks, remotes, and different things on the coffee table. It was so awesome. He kept it simple, got all the supplies from Home Depot really cheap, and because they were small, he was able to do one for each family member. So it was really easy for him to put together, and he didn't have to think of a different gift for each person. Another idea that I'm thinking of doing that's on the cheap and homemade are baby handprint ornaments. So if you've just had a baby like me and my husband have, we are going to do these little baby handprint ornaments from our daughter to the grandparents. They will love that. And it's super cheap. All you do is go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby, get an ornament, get some paint, handprint on that ornament, and boom, instant keepsake ornament. If homemade's not your jam, that's okay. I've also participated in a secret Santa that was within our family. So instead of buying gifts for every single family member, and when people get married and have kids, that quickly multiplies, you'll just only shop for one person within your family, within your extended family, and then set a spend limit. And then we only spend that amount of money on one person instead of 10. And then I can easily budget for that inside of my simplified budget, and then done. I've taken care of that entire family because Secret Santa, you only buy for one person. I'm really excited to put together my Christmas gift list, just double check my spending plan inside of the app just to make sure I have everything covered. And I just ordered my Christmas cards, and I earmarked that under my savings goals because that's part of my Christmas savings goal is to have enough money for Christmas cards. And so, I just withdrew that money from my savings goal inside of Simplify. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. I'll catch you guys later. Have the happiest of holiday seasons.